UI vs UX, Design for Beginners, a detailed guide introduction. This guide will walk you through the fundamental concepts and practices of UI/UX design, helping you build a strong foundation in creating user-centered digital experiences. Section 1. Understanding the basics. What is UI design? User interface, UI design, focuses on the visual elements of digital products. It encompasses everything users see and interact with on their screens, including buttons, icons, and other interactive elements, typography and color schemes, layout and visual hierarchy, visual branding and consistency. What is UX design? User experience. UX design is about how users interact with and feel about a product. It involves understanding user needs and behaviors, creating intuitive navigation flows, ensuring accessibility and usability, testing and iterating based on user feedback. Section 2. Essential design principles. Hierarchy. Visual hierarchy guides users through content and actions in order of importance. Achieve this through size variation in elements, strategic use of color and contrast, thoughtful spacing and positioning, typography scaling consistency. Maintain consistency across your design to create a cohesive experience. Use a consistent color palette. Stick to a limited set of fonts. Keep spacing and sizing uniform. Maintain consistent interaction patterns. Accessibility. Design for all users by considering color contrast ratios for readability, text sizing and spacing, alternative text for images, keyboard navigation support. Start with these fundamentals and build upon them through practice and real-world application. Additional resources, learning platforms, Coursera, Udacity, LinkedIn, Learning Google UX Design Certificate, Design Communities Dribble, Behance UX Design Community on Discord, local UX UI meetup groups. With consistent practice and a solid foundation in these principles, beginners can build the skills needed to create impactful UI/UX designs.